Everybody, we are on day 31 of hashtag jelly postcard play. I did all 31 days plus a few extras I'm going to share with you, but this is my day 31. Here I have my jelly print on the back, again jelly print right here. I doodled and I added this sticker spot. This is a Dollar Tree sticker. It says make it happen today. Got this truck and I have sunflowers going up, and that's what this one looks like on day 31. I cut extra out just in case I screwed up, so I just kept on making them. So I have a few extras I just share. So I have this one also, and then this one with the boho, and this one with the swans, and this one with the bicycle. And those are the extra ones I did. This was fun, decorating these little cards and making videos every day. So I had fun enjoying it. Thank you, Jerry, for coming up with this idea. And they're all in my box. And eventually, I will probably share them in friend mail and pass them along down the road. Now I can't get them back in my box here. I have to make an enclosure because my box doesn't want to stay closed. So I'll just get a whatchamacallit, headband somewhere I have. Somewhere that from the Dollar Tree I can put around it for now. I just have to find them somewhere. I don't know where they are at the moment. Oh, here we go. Oh, nope. Why is that in there? Things that keep. Why are these in here? You open a drawer and you discover stuff like, why is this in here? Why is that in there? But you get what I'm getting at. I will. Oh, here they are. They're actually a delusion one. That's all right. It'll work. So I'll just that like that. Keep it semi-closed. I guess that won't work either. Well, let's see if I can go like this. There we go. It's good enough for now. Keep it all in one place. So thanks for watching, everybody. I had fun doing this. Go check out all the rest of the people that participated. It was a good, exciting thing to do for the month of July. As always, it is jelly. Hashtag jelly postcard play. Thanks for watching. Bye.